So hi, I'm John from Pentair. The automation system you have in front of you today is the Pentair EasyTouch PL4. This is for a single body of water system. It's the introductory level of the EasyTouch automation systems. It can control one variable speed pump. The EasyTouch system, the regular EasyTouch system can control two variable speed pumps. You have your filter pump relay and 3 additional relays for lights or for anything else that you'd like to run. This system, as with all the Pentair automation systems, has the ability to be controlled by an app that can be downloaded either from Apple or Android. You'll see that I can operate it from my local, which means my regular home Wi-Fi, or I can hit remote, and that means I can operate it from anywhere in the world. I could be sitting on the beach in Turkey and log on as long as I had access to the internet and take a look and see what's going on with my pool. So I put the adapter number in for the ScreenLogic, which is the system that allows you to do this. I hit it, and there we go. I can take a look at my pool. Right there's my set temperature. If I want to bring it up to 80 degrees, I can do that. I can see that my pool pump is running, and I can see that it's being heated by my heat pump. If I have a gas heater, you'll see in the lower left-hand corner there that it has the ability for a gas heater or for a heat pump preferred. So if I have a solar system, which this can run as well, it will run the solar until it can't pull any more heat out, and then it will go to a gas heater connection. If I want to see what kind of schedules I'm running, I hit schedules. For pumps, it says that I have one pump. It's an IntelliFlo pump, and there we go. The green light says that is illuminated, so I know that it's running a pool schedule, and it's running at 43 gallons a minute, or I should say, 43 GPM. It also has the ability with that pump to run it at RPM. That's the new IntelliPro VSF pump, variable speed and flow. So I have the option of running it at gallons per minute or RPM. And here's the other program speeds, one for low speed, 20 gallons a minute, and one for cleaning at 70 gallons a minute. Again, I go back up to the upper left-hand corner, hit the button, I'm back to the main menu.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Please rate, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, or click the bell notification to ensure that you're receiving our most updated content. And as always, thanks for watching.